Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Have you ever woken up camping with a sore back, or panicked when unexpected guests showed up because you lacked a proper bed? Today we are looking at the Naturehike California King Size Air Mattress with built-in rechargeable pump, a product that promises to change the way we think about portable sleep. Let us dive straight into the deep analysis of what makes this air mattress stand out in a crowded market. First off, the sheer size is impressive. Measuring roughly 84 by 72 inches, this is a true California King experience. Naturehike has put this mattress through rigorous testing, including 5,000 rolling tests and a 24-hour 450 kg load-bearing pressure test. That means it is built for durability and a premium cozy sleeping experience, whether you use it at home or out in the wild. One of the standout features is the patented built-in pump. Unlike traditional air beds that require messy cords or separate bulky pumps, this one features a detachable pump that fully inflates and deflates the mattress in just 3 minutes with a single click. It is USB rechargeable and lasts for 3 to 5 full uses per charge. The patented dual nozzles ensure leak-proof inflation and speedy deflation. Plus, the pump is versatile enough to work with all Naturehike inflatable mattresses. Support is another major selling point. The mattress utilizes a honeycomb load-bearing system. The honeycomb structural design with internal elastic support columns evenly distributes body pressure. It can support up to 992 pounds, offering a cozy cloud-level cushioning that rivals traditional mattresses. You will not sink into the middle or roll off the edges easily. When it comes to portability, Naturehike did an incredible job. The storing size is about 16 by 13 by 7 inches. It folds down to 24 times smaller than its inflated size, ending up roughly the size of a basketball. Weighing in at 14 pounds, you can easily toss this mattress into your backpack and head out on your next adventure after a full night of great sleep. Safety and material quality are also top-notch. The mattress is made from formaldehyde-free flocked PVC, which is skin-friendly for both kids and pets and offers great breathability. It features an anti-static finish to avoid static buildup, and the air columns deliver quiet dual cushioning for a truly restful night. It is versatile enough for home use, hosting guests, camping, and travel trips. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the pros are numerous. You get massive California King dimensions, an incredible 992-pound weight capacity, and a super convenient USB rechargeable detachable pump that works fast. The honeycomb support structure genuinely improves comfort, and the compact storage size makes it surprisingly travel-friendly for its massive footprint. The flocked, skin-friendly material is a great touch for families. On the negative side, there are a few important considerations. When using the mattress for the first time, it is normal for it to soften slightly as the material naturally stretches. You will need to use the pump to top it off initially. More importantly, there are strict material protection guidelines. You should avoid using it in frigid environments under 50 degrees Fahrenheit because low temperatures make the material rigid and fragile. You must allow 12 hours of indoor acclimation before unfolding and pumping it in cold weather to prevent cracking at the creases. To conclude, the Naturehike California King Size Air Mattress is a game-changer for anyone who needs spacious, reliable, and comfortable temporary bedding. Whether you are accommodating holiday guests or upgrading your glamping setup, it delivers on its promises of comfort and convenience, provided you follow the temperature guidelines. Link in the description.